Hey there. Quarantine can be pretty tiring, right? All you want to do is go out and eat breakfast. You've never cooked before. If you're like me, you're like, I don't really know what a pan is. So what we're going to do is we're going to make pancakes in the microwave. And just like all my recipes, we're going to make sure that this fits your macros. Pancakes, usually pretty carb heavy, right? Well, we're going to do a little bit different today. We're going to make protein-packed pancakes. Hey, maybe it's not even morning. Maybe you just got a late night craving for some pancakes. Well, I'm here to help you out. Have I done this before? Absolutely not, but we're going to see what happens. Alright, so the key to any protein recipe is, of course, protein powder. I'm going to use the one I have in my house, which is the Giant brand vanilla protein powder. I do recommend vanilla for a pancake. I don't recommend Giant's brand. We're going to do 1 scoop of the protein powder. Next, we're going to do flour. You can use any flour. I'm going to do coconut flour. 1 tablespoon. Okay, next we're going to do a half a teaspoon of baking powder. For all you guys doing math out there, that's about 2 1/4 teaspoons. Now we're going to add our sweetener. We're going to go with Swerve sweetener. It's a no calorie substitute for sugar. We're going to do 1 teaspoon. For anyone doing math out there, that is equal to 2 half teaspoons. Now an egg. We're gonna do like 17 grams of yogurt, or 25 grams apparently. So 25 grams is about equal to 2 tablespoons. Okay, we're gonna do about a tablespoon of milk, which is also equal to about 15 milliliters. Let's see what happens. Once again, we're gonna go with Fairlife milk for protein. Okay, we're gonna do half a teaspoon of vanilla. And now just for a little bit more sweetness, we're gonna do a tablespoon of light syrup. And now we're gonna mix it all up. It's all mixed up. I'm gonna add some cinnamon for taste. Okay, now you could add this like in a mug, but to get that pancake shape, we're gonna put it on a plate. And I guess you could try cooking it in a pan if you know how to do that. You're gonna want to be really careful as you transport it. Alright, so as you can see here, there is not a pancake setting on the microwave, so we're gonna have to do 60 seconds. As you wait, I ask you to just kind of think about what you want to do with your life. Alright, let's see how it turned out. We're about to learn together. Ooh, it smells like a pancake. Yeah. I think it still needs, let's try another 30 seconds. Yeah, much better. A little bit of a bubble. But it's mostly a cake consistency, pancake. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some syrup. Voila. All right, our protein microwavable pancake. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, you can see it cuts like a pancake. It's pretty good. It's kind of like a tiny pancake. Now I know what you're thinking. Who eats 1 pancake? Well, I have a secret. If you double all of the ingredients, you can have 2 pancakes. If you want to triple the ingredients, you can have 3 pancakes. It's really up to you, whatever you want to do. Now, if you're more of a waffle person than a pancake person, you're in luck because I'm going to make a video where I do the same exact thing, but I put it in a waffle maker.